Whether it's your rich Nigerian chinchin or cheap or sapa Nigerian chinchin, or even if you don't like adding eggs or milk to your chinchin recipe, you're going to be finding out 4 ways to make different kind of Nigerian chinchin using 1 kg of flour. To make very rich Nigerian chinchin using 1 kg of flour, you need of course 1 kg of flour, 100 gram of butter and sugar respectively, 2 eggs medium or large, half cup of condensed milk, evaporated milk 2 cups, baking powder 1 teaspoon, nutmeg 1 teaspoon, or milk flavor 2 tablespoons or a 1 small pack, then 1 liter of oil for frying. This will give you a very rich chinchin recipe using 1 kg of flour. Now, if you say, Madam, that one is too expensive, I need something cheaper, I want to use it for business, then this recipe will be for you. You will need 100 grams of butter and sugar respectively with 1 kg of flour, 2 eggs, water 2 cups, baking powder 1 teaspoon, nutmeg 1 teaspoon, or milk flavor 2 tablespoons, and or you can use 1 small pack, then 1 liter of oil for frying. Now you can adjust the water. Add your water in bits, that's what I usually advise, until you can get your dough together depending on your kind of flour. The unique thing about this recipe is that you use different kind of flavors to make your chinchin taste unique. Now, if you want to get measuring tips for different kind of Nigerian snacks up to 1,000 pieces, you can email me at debbykits2020@gmail.com and I will give you your own customized recipe at a very cheap cost. So if you're interested in that, you can email me at debbykits2020@gmail.com. Now, ingredients for eggless chinchin recipe. If you're somebody that is allergic to eggs or you do not like eggs in your chinchin, this recipe is for you. You will need 1 kg of flour or 8 cups of Nigerian flour, butter 100 gram, sugar 100 gram, corn flour half cup, powdered milk 1 cup, baking powder 1 teaspoon, oil for frying 1 liter, then nutmeg 1 teaspoon of your nutmeg. Now for your chinchin recipe, I advise that you use margarine instead of butter. Some persons use butter, but margarine is the best. Margarine will give you a more rich and tasty chinchin recipe. Butter, your chinchin may come out dripping with oil, so go for margarine. Margarine are butter that are being packaged in containers and packs rather than the one that are thick. Just go for margarine. Go to your local store and ask for margarine and just use the quantities you can see in this video. Let's go to our final chinchin recipe. I'm even laughing already. Sapa chinchin. This is the no time chinchin and no money. You want to manage money. This chinchin recipe is for you. You just need 1 kg of flour or 8 cups of Nigerian flour, 100 gram of butter and sugar respectively, baking powder 1 teaspoon, then your water 500 ml, then oil for frying. See ba, this chinchin recipe, no time, no flavor, no milk, no eggs, just add water. But make sure you add your water in bits. Don't pour your water like River Niger, because you say this sapa, you are not making buns, you are also making chinchin. So you can add all these ingredients together. Just add your water in bits until you can get a perfect sapa chinchin. I don't know if this recipe has been of help to you. If it has, do subscribe to Debbie's Kitchen, to like and share, and see you in my next one. Bye bye. Good to have you here. See you next time.